Hello there, this is the new rainbowlink 4-in-1 USB protocol converter from Dfrobot. This unique board can provide individual RS485, RS232 and 2 TTL channels at a time. Also, it can provide 3.3V, 5V and 12V power output. This lever type connectors provides easy connections and helps to avoid messy wirings. So in this video, let's see the complete details of this rainbowlink USB protocol converter. Let's get started with this video. The rainbowlink comes in this orange iconic box of Dfrobot. Inside that there is another black box. And here is the rainbowlink converter. The top side is acrylic and the main highlight is the multicolor connect. The color patterns resembles the rainbow, so I think that's why it got the name rainbowlink. And talking about connector, this is a unique lever type connector. I have never seen anywhere this before. This can be used to connect any type wire below 12 AWG easily without the need of any other tools. The connections are pretty solid, so there is no chance for the error. The green and blue connectors for RS485 connections. On the side, you can see a switch for enabling the 120 ohm resistor. This type 120 ohm resistor can be seen in all RS485 modules. Then the black is for ground, yellow is 3.3V, orange is 5V and red is 12V. On the opposite side, we got the USB Type-C connector. On the middle, we have a pair of male and female header pins. First is for power pins, then 2 TTL inputs and finally the RS232 pins. Everything is labeled neatly on the top side. On the left side, we can see 3 LEDs which is for indicating the power output. On the right side, there are 8 LEDs which is for denoting the communication status. Now let's remove these screws and let's see what's inside. So inside the converter, we can see a WCH CH344 chip, which is the main chip of this converter. Now let's connect the USB cable to the converter. Here I am using a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. After connecting to laptop, you can see the LEDs. Yellow is for 3.3V, orange is for 5V and red is for 12V. That means all the outputs are available. In the computer, you need to install the driver for the converter. You can download that from the product page, link is given in the video description. After installing, you can see 4 COM ports which is labeled A, B, C and D. In the converter, all channels are labeled also. That is A for RS485, B for RS232, C and D for TTL1 and TTL2. This way we can easily distinguish between channels. Here I connected a VMOS D1 mini to the TTL input of the converter and I am reading the analog values just for demonstration. You can see the values and also the corresponding LED status. So this 4-in-1 rainbowlink converter is an awesome tool for electronic hobbyists. With this we can avoid messy connections and decrease the errors. You can find the product link from the video description. So that's all about today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.